Moron Machining, take 9, maybe 10. I've lost count. And action! Well, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to my little shop of horrors here in what's known as the Chinese fire drill in some circles. The project today is I found 2 pieces of this cut-offs, and it was all one, 10 inches long, which is way too long for this machine. I cut this down. This is 5 inches, and it's dang near too long, but 5 inches for the travel. It's crazy. You got this great big table here and no travel. Anyway, so I want to flatten these off, look kind of like parallels. And I see all these people doing great things with fly cutters, right? So I'm going to try a fly cutter. Yeah. Epic fail. Epic fail. Flatten that one off. Flatten that one off. I messed with that for an hour. I don't know if it's the mill scale it won't cut through, what the deal is. I got on the internet and, oh, this is the only way to do this. This is the best way. And God bless you, Scotty. If you're watching this, I love you, man. I tried doing it the way you showed me, and it's just fail. It's got to be me. It's a poor craftsman that blames his tools in the first place, but I made that tool, so I'm the only one I can blame. All right, so enough of that. I messed with that for hours and hours. I don't know, a couple hours anyway. So then I got tired of messing around. I got the big dog, right? Yeah, this'll do it. We'll just hog right through there. And it worked for one pass, kinda. Kinda. I don't know if the thing's dull, what the problem is, but it is not cutting. So I messed with that for a while. Now I got tired of messing with it, and I got the best cutter out that I got. And trust me, this thing is throwing chips to the point where I went and got my face shield on, and I'm thinking about finding my welding leathers because the chips coming off of here are freaking hot. So you will also notice that I'm not holding on to the camera. Look, Ma, no hands. I got a rinky-dink set up here. I'm using my magnetic base and my dial gauge sitting on the tailstock, kind of half-assed clamping this thing into position so you could see a different view, and hopefully without a whole bunch of the moving back and forth. I don't know. Earlier, this thing vibrated off of here and landed on the floor. I'm going to give it a shot. What can I say? So, without any further yik-yak and whatever, we're going to see if we can make some chips with this damn thing, because 2 hours is plenty for what we're doing here. Alright, let's go for a ride. Oh yeah. Trust me, this chips are plenty warm. But it's finally working. Caramba, what a pain in the ass. So, wash, rinse, and repeat. I'll just do this many more times and hopefully get that flat. When I had this one in there, it was vibrating so hard that this came loose and started taking off that way. That was exciting. So, because of the mount here for that, that don't quite tighten up enough, so I'm gonna have to revisit that. I already got some washers in there, so I'll be redoing that. But I finally got this problem whipped, I hope. So I'll be going back to that, and I won't bore you with any more. Appreciate you swinging by. Like, share, subscribe, thumbs up, whatever you do on the internet these days, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.